Introduction. Rani lives in a village. She has come to her cousin Rita's house. Rita's house is bigger and stronger than Rani's house. It has many rooms, while Rani's house has only 2 rooms. Rita's mother cooks in a huge kitchen. Rani's mother cooks in the open backyard of a village house. In this lesson, you'll learn about houses. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define house, identify the need for a house, distinguish between Kacha and Paka houses, list different types of shelters, name people who build the house. Exploring a house. Human beings live in houses with their families. A house is made up of a roof, walls, floors, doors, and windows. A house is divided into many rooms such as drawing room, dining room, bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom, and storeroom. Need for house. House protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, animals, thieves. We eat, sleep, work, laugh and cry in our house. Therefore, we all need a house to live in. Types of houses. Houses can be strong or weak. In villages, houses are built with mud and straw. Such houses are called Kacha houses. They are weak. In towns and cities, houses are built with bricks and cement. Such houses are called Paka houses. They are strong. Some other shelters. Houses are usually built on land, but they can also be built on water and trees. Water houses are built on boats. They are called houseboats. Tree houses are made of wood. In very cold places, houses are made of snow. They are called igloos. Housemakers. Let us understand how a house is built. First, an architect designs the house. Then the engineers and laborers built the house using bricks and cement. A new house costs money and time to build. Therefore, we must take care of our house. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. A house is a place where we live with our family. A Kacha house is a weak house made of mud and straw. A Paka house is a strong house made of cement and brick. A house protects us from cold, heat, wind, rain, animals, and thieves. Architect, engineers, and laborers together build houses.